Alright, I wanted to show you my homebrew journal I got from Kegs Code. This has got a nice little embossed Brew Journal logo here, Craft Brew Logbook with a little hops logo on it. Inside of it, it's got some useful information. It's got this hops chart. It's got this Yeast Strains Chart. It's got some other useful stuff here at the beginning of it I wanted to point out. We've got an ABV reference chart, a couple of glass reference. Of course, you got your table of contents. You can write your recipes down in here and page mark them as you go, like I do. And most importantly, we've got this nice lay flat design of this book. I can hold this thing up with one hand. It's going to hold and lay flat. So as I am brewing, I can lay this thing flat. I can put the page marker down. I can take and read notes. It's got the same outline for each, times 150 times 160. So you can get up to 160 recipes in this before you get a new one. That is just a quick overview of the Homebrew logbook from Kegs Code. I really like